Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Danish Smørrebrød. First, choose a dark, dense rye bread, often called rugbrød, as your base. This bread provides the necessary sturdy foundation for your open-faced sandwich. Next, gather a variety of fresh, high-quality ingredients for your toppings. Preparing everything in advance, like slicing meats or chopping vegetables, will make the assembly process much smoother and more enjoyable. Once you have your rye bread, the next crucial step is to butter it properly. A generous, even layer of butter acts as a barrier, preventing the bread from becoming soggy from the moist toppings. For some traditional variations, a thin layer of lard or duck fat can be used instead, adding a rich, distinct flavor. Make sure your chosen spread covers the entire surface of the bread, right to the edges, for a consistent taste in every bite. Now for the fun part, adding your toppings. Smørrebrød is all about creative combinations and beautiful presentation. Think about contrasting textures, like crisp radishes with soft liver pâté and complementary flavors. Popular choices include thinly sliced roast beef with remoulade, fresh shrimp with dill, or classic pickled herring. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients to find your favorite pairings. Aim for a balanced and visually appealing arrangement. To truly enjoy your smørrebrød, serve it promptly after assembly to ensure freshness and optimal texture. Traditionally, these open-faced sandwiches are eaten with a fork and knife, allowing you to savor each layer. It's a delightful culinary experience, perfect for lunch or a light dinner. And speaking of enjoying things, remember to stay hydrated. You can find a link to the Oala water bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.